By the way, if you new here to watch my videos, to watch my vlog, if you new here to watch my videos, guys, I do hope that um to follow my channel, and I really appreciate it. So yeah, let's go, and I'm gonna clean my tiny house. So yeah, and I will show you guys how messy, how messy. Anyway, this is a temporary house because um I built a new house in our relocation. So yeah, and I will give you update, guys, if the house finish. So yeah, let's go. So this is the so messy room, so messy sala. Anyway, um we are here in a first floor to sleep, and because I'm comfortable here. So yeah, and the second floor is all art. The I put there the second floor, guys. I put there all our things. So yeah, because this area is so very small, so it's small, guys. So that's why all our things is in the second floor. So yeah, and I will show you guys. So yeah, let's go. Hi, hello to my followers who watching my videos, my vlog. This is it. I will I start doing my daily life vlog. So we need to work hard. We need to I need to work hard my channel because yeah, I'm hoping that I earn here. So yeah, for those new here, don't forget to thumbs up, guys, and subscribe my channel, and then to support my channel also if you like it. So yeah, I do really appreciate it, guys. So let's go. So this is it, my dress. So when I look, yeah, and Yeah, this is it, guys. So look, and yeah. So after to clean this house, guys, so I'm going to I have planned to go to Tandag City, guys. I have planned to go to Tandag City, guys, to buy some items for my sari-sari store, because I don't have stock right now. So I will buy rice and the canned goods and the others. So, and yeah, and I will show you how I shopping, yeah, for my sari store. So yep. And look, that handsome man. And then, guys, I have something to show you. My new Shein. Just wait. And this is it, guys. So we have unboxing from Shein. So finally my order is coming. My order is finally I got my order. So yeah, we will open this. So what inside? So we will open this, guys. Charan! Is a new tong. Finally. Finally, I open it already. Because I'm excited to open and what's inside, and I'm so excited. So that's why yep, and yeah, and this is it. It's very nice. Yeah. And the next one is I love this color. Ta-da! I love it. So you will see it. You watch this when I wear this, guys. So just visit my Patreon. I have a Patreon there. So yeah, you will see if you will see, guys, if you visit in my Patreon. So I have a try on holder. Ito sa mga drinks. Wow. Magdaan, kita ko nung na akong butang tatang na magdaan. Amuan. Ito dito ang mga wine. No, tag 45, bro. Bi, weird na, bi.
Attendance check.
Yato na ako pinalit.